All right, let's go over the exit ticket. So question number 1 says translate the verbal sentence to an algebraic sentence. 3 less than twice the number. So we talked about this pretty extensively in class today. When it says 3 less than, that lets you know that this thing has to come first. So twice the number, that would be 2x. And if we want 3 less than that, we're going to take 3 away from that value. So the answer here would have been B. Number 2, translate the following. The quotient, so that means divide. Anytime it's dividing, you want to keep these in the exact same order as they're written. So the x comes first, x divided by 4, and then it says is equal to 13. So that answer would be C. Number 3, the difference, that means subtraction, of twice the number, so that's going to be 2x and 4. So 2x minus 4, and when it says is, that means equals 6. So the answer here would be C. And number 4 says select all answers that are not expressions. So that means we can check everything that is an equation. So this is not an expression, not an expression. These two do not have equal signs. They do not have inequality signs. So these are expressions. So we're going to choose this one. So these 3 are not expressions. And number 5, what can be added to the blank to make this an equation? So an equation has to have an equal sign. That's it. Thank you.